Hi class, I read you the book The Little Engine That Could, and this book is all about challenges that the characters face. The animals and the toys in the book are facing a challenge. The trains are facing challenges. This little blue engine that finally decides to help them out has a really, really, really big challenge to face. And what I really like in this book is that they did not give up when things were challenging or hard for them. They kept on trying until they were able to succeed. I want you to think of when you face challenges. What steps do you take to meet your goal or rise to the occasion so that you do not give up, that you keep working and keep trying until you accomplish what you're trying to accomplish? I want you to write the steps. So what do you do first? What do you do next? What do you do then? I want to see 3 steps that you take to meet a challenge. You can draw a picture to show me, you can write a sentence, but I need to see the 3 steps that you take to achieve something that's challenging. I'm excited to read them. Have a good day.